So here we have the Mini 3-door hatchback on a 17 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you inside the boot, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside from there. As we approach the back of the car, you can see we have reversing sensors and plenty of boot space as well, along with that 60/40 split folding rear seat should you wish to increase this space even further. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. On the left-hand side, we have the rev counter, we have the speedometer in the middle, and over on the right-hand side, the fuel gauge. Also in the middle, you can see the total miles of the car, which is 7,040. You can change the information displayed above that by using buttons on the end of the left-hand stalk, including being able to access this digital readout for the speedometer, as you can see. Over in the center, we then have the main screen for the car. So all of the movement on the screen, all the movement you see me making now, is all being done using this dial and the collection of buttons that surround it. You can do virtually everything from the dial. So you can rotate the dial around to phone, push it down to enter the phone menu. From there, you'll be able to pair your phone under Bluetooth devices. You can go back to the main menu. We've got our music. So this is our own music. If you'll listen to that, there's a number of ways you can do it. You can plug in a USB device, you can stream it wirelessly via Bluetooth audio, and we have auxiliary input as well. You can listen to your music via the radio, of course, and we have AM, FM, and DAB radio, as you can see just there. And we have satellite navigation in this car. Nice, clear colour display, very easy system to use. We've done a video showing how it works on our website and also on our YouTube channel as well. Working our way down from that, we then have dual zone climate control. So you can adjust the passenger and driver temperature. You can increase and decrease the fan speed. You can determine where you'd like the air to be distributed once it enters the car. And then that button will turn your air conditioning off in this case, or back on again. Or hit auto. In doing so, the car will now take control of the fan speed and direction of the air to maintain the temperatures you've asked for. Press the auto button again to put it back on your own settings. Below that, we can turn off our traction control. We can start and stop the engine for the car. We can turn off the stop and start. This car is designed to cut out when it's stationary in traffic to save you fuel. That's turned off when that light shows. We can turn our parking sensors on and off. We have a 12-volt charging socket, USB and auxiliary inputs, the gear lever for the fully automatic gearbox as well. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car for yourself and have a test drive, please feel free to call any of our MJA sites. We'd love to hear from you soon.